Hi folks, thank you for checking out my Tornado product review. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a unique opportunity for you folks, so I highly recommend that you seize the opportunity today. And that product is in the first description, in the description below. Now, back to the Tornado review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche, up to 14,000 members, and how to market to that Facebook group in order to make sales. Bonus number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And the word here is recurring passive income. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high converting gig, as an example, you can buy it from someone else on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price, and you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 shows you how to earn up to $186 in 3 simple steps. It's a straightforward process that you can easily follow while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And bonus number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates and much, much more. Now let's get back to the Tornado review.
Have you heard the weather warning? A tornado of traffic is on the way, and it's going to land on any URL of your choice. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner Jabril Johnson, we're going to send a tornado of traffic to any URL of your choice with our brand new release, Tornado Traffic. All you need to do is choose the URL that you want the traffic to land on, and we'll take care of everything else. Each and every day, we will send you traffic from the Tornado Traffic Rotator, a new powerhouse of traffic that we've only just discovered. You'll also get daily traffic from the following 9 other rotators: the New Year Traffic Rotator, the Place Your Link 24 Rotator, the Winter Traffic 3.0 Rotator, the Big Monster Traffic Rotator, the Looney Traffic Rotator, the Super 7 Traffic Rotator, the Bundled Up Rotator, the Big 10 Traffic Rotator, and the Atomic Traffic Rotator. That's right. Unstoppable traffic from 10 different traffic sources every single day. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Tornado Traffic before the price goes up. If you delay, you really will pay more. Step 2. Choose the URL you want the traffic to land on. And step 3. Go and play football, go to a bar, or do whatever the hell you like. You're done here and won't ever need to log into your members area ever again. But don't delay in picking up your copy. The Tornado Traffic Rotator is lying empty at the start of the launch, so you will get first mover advantage if you pick up your copy right at the start of the launch, because your link won't be competing with everyone else's. So grab your umbrella and close all the windows. The tornado is coming, and your URL will find no shelter from the torrent of hits. Pick up your copy now, and we'll see you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching. And don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.